So make sure that you answer the guide questions there. Then there is some form of you will check which is true of the disorder. So you will mark with an S those or check those that are seen in the particular lesion. Okay, next slide is slide number 80, chronic cholecystitis with cholesterolosis. What is the lining epithelium of your gallbladder?
Ratified squamous.
Here. So usually we focus at the low power of magnification. So that's the magnification that we focus the slide for our exams. Okay, so make sure that you know what to look for under low power. Okay, so this is your gallbladder. You have your mucosa, and then what are you supposed to see in chronic cholecystitis? As the name implies, what type of inflammatory cells are you supposed to see? What? Mononuclear cells or your lymphocytes. Okay, unlike the previous one, where you see polymononuclears, mostly neutrophils. How does a lymphocyte look like? So those blue small dots that are seen. Other than that, what is also a finding in your chronic colic? What are you supposed to see? How about the outpouchings, the RA sinuses? So you see this, it's like outpouching of the mucosa, and they are more prominent in chronic cholecystitis. Of course, you see that RA sinuses even in the gallbladder, but then they are made prominent when you have your chronic cholecystitis. So sometimes we also sign them out if we have a stone along with the inflammation. Okay. So another feature here is the presence of your cholesterolosis. So it's a type of intracellular accumulation. So where do you see that? The lamina propria of your gallbladder. So how does it appear? So, pwede na ba? So you have here your foamy macrophages or your hemosiderin-laden macrophages. Cholesterol. Sorry, cholesterol-laden macrophages. Okay? So they would appear like here. So your macrophages, what's the function of your macrophage? Or phagocytosis. So it seems that it has engulfed a lipid, your cholesterol. That's why they would appear as foamy. Okay? So parang may evacuation. Okay. So this is cholesterolosis. So when you answer pag pina-identify chronic cholecystitis with cholesterolosis. Okay, kung may mga cholecystitis na, you did not write the organ. Understood na yun. Okay? So what else? Do you have any question? None. Okay, let's go to the next.